Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I was asking in the room if the level from 86 to 88,000 would be a bear trap. We dropped even lower today, roughly 7% to 82,100. So far, we can see a bottom formation on the 1-hour chart with a bullish divergence forming 3 hours ago on the wave trend indicator and a deeply oversold RSI. We reached a 1-hour RSI of 21 today. Higher time frames look kind of okay, like it dipped out, but we need a green dot confirmation on the 12-hour or daily time frame to be sure. If we check the heat map, we can clearly see that this dip wasn't caused by market makers trying to liquidate retail participants like in the last weeks. The 3-day, 2-week, and even 6-month liquidation heat map shows that we are moving in no man's land with almost no long liquidity on the map. All hot areas are above us, around 99 to 100,000. Let's check the bull market peak indicators, sell at the top collection of 30 hand-selected top indicators to see if 100,000 could have been the top. Nope. 0 out of 30 are negative. Then who is selling? The Bitcoin ETF saw heavy outflows today with almost 1 billion in total outflows on the 25th, 516.4 million on the 24th, and today so far outflows of 162.5 million, though this number isn't fully updated yet. Checking the 12-month Bitcoin realized loss chart, bigger losses were only generated at the Japan carry trade dump in August 2024. Yesterday and today, the market accumulated 1.7 billion in realized losses. Another graph, Bitcoin short-term holders P&L to exchanges, some 24 hours, shows that Bitcoin speculators sent $7 billion to exchanges at a loss as Bitcoin crashed below 90,000. Marking the largest sell-off of 2025. Looking at the chart, Bitcoin, total supply and loss held by short-term holders, it shows that 3 million Bitcoin are sitting at a loss. This is the highest amount since 2018. If we look at the Nakamoto project presentation of Bitcoin and its adoption curve, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is only at 3% adoption in 2025. Just like the internet in 1990, social media in 2005, and online banking in 1996, according to River's latest research. We're still very early. The coins are moving from short-term holders, weak hands, to stronger hands now. I will keep you updated daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts and news. Click on the like button if you got any value from the video, and click subscribe with the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.